Hello students, I am Neha Ashwani, faculty of Mount Literacy School Chassis. So how are you all? I hope you all are taking proper care of your health. Let us begin. Today we will be starting with chapter number 5, Professions and Occupations. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is what is a profession. A profession is an occupation that requires special training and formal qualifications. Now, that need a proper training, a specific training, and you should have proper qualifications for that. A person can get into any occupation just by learning the skills from his or her parents. Means you need to learn the skills from your parents. It can be from your friends, from your relatives. A person can join a family business without any educational qualifications. In many families, you must have seen that all the people are mostly involved in the family business. Suppose the grandfather is doing any business, the same business is taken over by the father and same is taken over by the son. Means without any proper education qualification, it does not require any proper education, but you can just take over the business of the father. Now, the next thing you can see here, whatever you wish to like whatever you wish to be, you can be a teacher, you can be a pilot, you can be a singer, you can be anything, whatever you wish to be. Now, coming to the next points, some professions such as army, navy, air force, business, etc. involves a bit of traveling. In these professions, you have to travel from one place to another. The army, the navy, air force, that is part of the Indian Armed Forces. And the role involves the protection of the nation from the enemies and the terrorists. You must have heard in the news, you must have seen on the television also that many Air Force people are dying just to save the country from the enemies, to protect us from the enemies. Now the pilots also travel all over the world as they fly the aeroplanes and the helicopters from one state to another or from one country to another. Here you can see the army, the navy people. Now, the professions such as law, medicine, engineering and writing do not involve traveling. Now, these professions you don't have to travel from one place to another. And the doctors administer medicines when they are ill. Now, what is the work of the doctor? The doctor, we go to the doctor for proper checkup and all whenever we feel sick, and they just do the full checkup and they tell us what is the problem with our body, and they give us the proper prescriptions, the medicines, what all we need. Now, the next one, we are talking about the dentist. The dentists take proper care of our health. Whenever we have any problem related to a tooth or anything like that, we go to the dentist for the checkup. Here you can see the images of doctors, teachers and the engineers, civil engineers you can say. Now coming to the next one, that is advocates. Advocates fights cases on behalf in court for justice. Now, suppose there is a dispute, a fight going on between two people regarding anything. You can say regarding a field, a plot you can say. So, the two people cannot decide themselves that who will take over that field, who will take over that plot. So, everything has to be judged and everything has to be taken over to the court, and in front of the judge it has to be decided what is to be done. So from each side we hire a advocate and we call it vakil in Hindi, if you can say. You must have heard the word. So they fight for us, they fight cases for us. Now students, I hope the topic is clear till now, whatever we have studied about the profession. Children, just go through it and read everything. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.